this is Mike with Complete Window Care again, and today I want to talk about water leaks through your windows. So we're coming into the rainy season right now, and what you're going to see is a lot of people's homes are going to start to leak water, and a lot of times you'll see it come in over the tops of the windows. You'll see it come in through ceilings and garages and things like that. And a lot of that is related to the way windows are installed in the house, the way they're flashed, the way the finish work is done. Sometimes people think that water sitting in the bottom of their window track is a leak, and that's not necessarily true. Usually that's just residual water that sits after a rainstorm. Can be a leak, but it's usually not. What we're talking about is when you start to get water into your drywall, onto your wooden sills, and it's starting to run into the house actively, and it's starting to really cause some damage. So a couple of things that we can do is we can come out and we can do a visual inspection and decide whether or not we think we can come up with a repair just based off of that visual inspection. Other times we're going to have to go out and we're going to have to do some in-depth water testing to try to figure out where exactly the wall is leaking, and then we can determine what kind of repairs we're going to do. And those repairs can be anything from a flashing repair, where we're going to actually take material off the house and put flashing around the windows. Could just be sealing, and it can result in major construction projects and window replacements. But all of those things are things that we can determine and tell you what you need to do. So give us a call if you're experiencing rain and water issues. Give us a shout before the rains get real heavy and it gets too much to keep up with. Thanks a lot for your time.